Hello, everyone. I am Joseph. Welcome to Joseph's Easy English. Today, we are going to do something very special. We are going to live through a full morning from the moment you wake up, rushing to get ready, to sitting on an airplane for a trip. Do you ever feel nervous when you have to speak English in these stressful situations? When you are late or when you are talking to a flight attendant? Don't worry, that feeling is completely normal. Today, we will fix that. Before we listen to the conversation, I want to teach you 3 very important concepts that appear in this story. If you understand these, you will sound much more natural. Concept number 1, phrasal verbs for waking up. In the dialogue, you will hear wake up and get up. Wake up, 2 syllables. Wake up means your eyes open. You are no longer sleeping. Get up, 2 syllables. Get up means your body moves out of the bed. So you can wake up at 7 a.m. but stay in bed and not get up until 7:15 a.m. Listen for this difference. Concept number 2, politeness with strangers. Later in the video, our character is on an airplane. When the flight attendant offers help, notice the language. We don't just say yes or no. We say yes, please, or no, thank you. And when offering help, we use phrases like, do you need help with? This softener makes your English sound polite and respectful, not rude. Concept number 3, expressing feelings. You will hear the character say, I am a little nervous. It is okay to say how you feel. In English culture, being honest about your comfort level, especially on a plane, allows others to help you. The phrase, don't worry, is the standard, comforting reply. Are you ready? We are going to listen to Jason's morning. It starts in the bedroom, moves to the breakfast table, and ends on an airplane. Relax, listen carefully, and let's immerse ourselves in the English language.
Jason, wake up. Come on.
What time is it?
It's 7 already. The alarm rang 10 minutes ago.
7? No, I want to sleep more, just a little bit.
No, you must get up now. You can't stay in bed all day.
5 more minutes, please, just 5. My eyes are so heavy.
No, you will be late. Seriously, Jason.
Late? Late for what? It's Sunday, isn't it?
Sunday? It's Tuesday. You're late for work.
Work? Oh no, I forgot. I thought it was the weekend.
Yes, I can see that. Hurry, get out of bed.
Okay, I am getting up. Where are my slippers? Okay, I'm up.
Did you brush your teeth yet?
Not yet. I'm still sleepy. My brain isn't working.
Go and brush your teeth now. You have morning breath.
All right, I'm going to the bathroom.
And don't forget to wash your face. It will help you wake up.
Yes, I will wash it with cold water. That usually helps.
Do you want breakfast? You don't have much time, but you should eat.
Yes, I am hungry. My stomach is growling. What is there?
I made eggs and toast. Here.
That looks good. Thank you. You are a lifesaver.
Hurry, your tea is getting cold.
Okay, I will drink it now. Sip. Ah, that's hot.
Do you feel awake now?
A little, but I think I need coffee too. This tea is nice, but it's not strong enough.
You already have tea. You don't need both.
I know, but coffee makes me strong. It gives me power.
You are funny. Just eat your eggs.
What about you? Did you wake up early today?
Yes, I woke up at 6. I went for a run.
Wow, that's early. I could never do that.
Yes, I like mornings. It's so quiet and peaceful.
I don't like mornings. I am a night owl.
That's why you are always late.
Maybe you are right. Oh my gosh, look at the time. It's almost 8 o'clock. I have to run.
Hello, sir. Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass?
Oh, yes, here it is. Seat 14A.
Perfect. That is just down the aisle on your left.
Thank you.
Do you need help with your bag? It looks quite full.
Yes, please. It is heavier than I thought. I packed too many books.
No problem. I can put it in the overhead compartment for you. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Thank you very much. That was kind of you.
You're welcome. Are you comfortable now?
Almost, but I am a little nervous. I don't like flying very much.
Don't worry. Flying is very safe. The weather is clear today, so it should be a smooth flight.
Okay, I hope so.
Can I get you something to drink before we take off? Maybe some water to help you relax?
Yes, water, please. That would be great.
Here you go. A nice cold bottle of water.
Thank you.
Do you want a snack as well? We have some pretzels or fruit.
Yes, please. I didn't finish my breakfast this morning because I was late.
Here's a sandwich and a small fruit.
Oh, thank you. That looks nice. You are very helpful.
It is my job. If you need anything else, just press the call button. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks. I feel much better now.
Welcome back. Did you enjoy the story? Let's review what happened. Jason had a frantic morning. He confused Tuesday for Sunday, but he managed to get ready, eat a quick breakfast, and eventually he made it to his flight. Did you notice the difference in how Jason spoke to Sarah versus the flight attendant? With Sarah, he was casual, 5 more minutes, or I want to sleep more. But with the flight attendant, he used polite forms. Yes, please. Thank you very much. And that was kind of you. This is the secret to real English. It's not just about words. It's about matching your tone to the situation. Now, I have a question for you. I want you to answer in the comments below. Are you a morning person like Sarah or a night owl like Jason? Do you like waking up at 6 a.m. or do you prefer to sleep late? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Thank you for watching Joseph's Easy English. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I will see you next time.